welcome to the studio. Thanks for joining me. I thought it'd be nice to go for a walk to the lake today. And if you remember last time I took you to Glenorchy in New Zealand at the end of Lake Wakatipu, and today I'd love to just ride our bikes around the end of the lake to a beautiful little spot called Kinloch, where they do great carrot cake and coffee. So let's have a look at where that is on the map. So there's our beautiful planet. I'm not sure why they put the world upside down in the maps, but they do, because clearly New Zealand should be at the top. There we go, that's better. Let's fly down there and have a look. Deep into the mountains. And here we are at Kinloch. To get there you can take a boat, a car or a bike, and every corner you turn reveals another beautiful scene. If you arrive in the autumn, you'll be sitting there with your coffee and your carrot cake and looking out at beautiful autumnal colour. Now, I often boost the saturation of the colours in my paintings, which is tricky to do on the spot, but if you're working from a photo, it's much easier. Here's how to do it on an iPad. Just open the photo, click Edit, and find the saturation. And you see you can take the saturation way down, make it grayscale, or boost it right up, make it super colourful. So the choice is yours. It's a really good tool to use. Okay, so let's get going. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to design for success, how to mix colours easily using a limited palette, how to translate a scene into a painting that reads more easily, how to use gestural brushwork to make a beautiful expressive painting, and how to apply those all-important finishing touches to bring your painting to life. So I take you step by step through this whole painting process without leaving anything out, and I include 24 pro tips for your development, so that by the end of this lesson you're going to have completed this beautiful painting and also be able to use the same concepts and techniques in your next work of art. That's going to help you make paintings that are really beautiful and that you're proud of. So wherever you are, I hope you'll join me on a walk to the lake to Kinloch, New Zealand.